Okay, so I want to start the charcoal detox just because diet is a huge important role of getting rid of acne. I have 2 popping out pimples right here, here. I have a cystic acne right here, here, and here. So we're gonna see by the end of the week if my charcoal, if it will help boost the process, and also I need to stop eating vegan ice cream and Oreos. You gotta have a bit of willpower at the same time. It is August 15th, Wednesday. I just woke up. I am going to be going for a run. Just on my treadmill. I'm just trying to like cleanse and detox, to be honest, this week, because my skin has gone very pimply because I've not been taking care of it, thinking I could eat anything I want. That's not the case. And also I'm going on a bit of a diet. Okay, see you in a bit. Taste like anything. It's just kind of chalky, but it's good. It is currently August 16th, so this big one on my chin is kind of flattening out, but I'm not gonna get my hopes up because I think it's still gonna be there. This one I have, but I'm gonna try to take some activated charcoal tablets. This is another option aside from the powder I just showed you. Honestly, if you could get charcoal in tablet form, it's so much easier, less messy. I'm just gonna take 2 this evening. Right now I currently stopped my probiotic because I just ran out. I gotta get more, so I don't know if maybe I'm getting pimples because of that. Could be because I recently just ran out of it like 2 days ago. Surprise, surprise. Happens to be the time I'm starting this charcoal cleanse. We might see. Maybe I won't get probiotics and just see if the charcoal will help. And if the charcoal doesn't help by the end of the week, then that just shows it probably is because the probiotics bottoms up. I'm just having tea right before I go to sleep. Of course, that's something I do. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed right away. The charcoal is the last thing I consumed of the day. And again, it's the first thing I will consume in the morning. So I'll see you then. It's currently August 17th, Friday, and I am about to drink some charcoal powder and then go for a run. Bottoms up, and then we work out, and then I might have a bit after. This is the first thing that I consume on an empty stomach, just to keep that in mind, and then I'm gonna work out and sweat it out, and I'm gonna drink a bit more probably, just to see if it'll be extra detoxifying. Look how glowy I am. I ran, I did abs, I did butt. I'd say it's a pretty good, productive workout day. My hair is sticking to my back and everywhere, so I'm just gonna quickly take my charcoal once again and hop in the shower. I'm gonna make protein oatmeal. Put in about 1 teaspoon. It's just it floating on top because again it like rejects water. And then my first meal of the day, protein oatmeal. It is August 18th, Saturday. It's so dark in my room. I'm about to go for another run. Update, the pimples on my chin are pretty much gone. I'm gonna be taking charcoal before I run. It's 3:08 p.m. and I still have not eaten anything yet because I slept in really late. Because last night I was up until probably 4 a.m. yesterday. I was DJing, but then after I got caught up on YouTube videos for like an hour. Yeah, that was my fault. So still haven't eaten anything. Gonna go for a run. This will be hardcore intermittent fasting, that's for sure. But yeah, just to let you know. Just finished my workout. I'm just chugging water. I'm glistening. I don't think I'm gonna have any more charcoal just because I had like 2 teaspoons of charcoal right before my workout, and that's a lot. I feel like I'm feeling the effects already of the charcoal. It's making me have more energy. I feel good, so I feel like there's no need to take more. Hi. Can't even see, it's like a silhouette. Anyway, I'm gonna take a shower. And then my first meal of the day, it is currently oh my god. It is currently 4:05 p.m. My first meal of the day will be again my protein oatmeal. It's kind of weird because I don't even feel like, it just feels like a normal breakfast day or something. It's weird. I want to make another what I eat in a day coming up soon. It's just like a realistic what I eat in a day, healthy and easy. So yeah, stay tuned for that and I will see you tomorrow. It's August 19th, 1:25 p.m. and I've not eaten anything again today. I'm drinking the charcoal. I'm not working out today because I'm kind of sore from the past couple days of working out. I'm still gonna have my protein oatmeal, and then I'm gonna probably do like some light squats with 10-pound dumbbells. Yeah, I put like a teaspoon of this, so that's quite a bit of charcoal. I'll notify you if I happen to have any more charcoal. I mean, so far so good. My skin is looking like it's getting a bit flatter, but we were just gonna have to see by the end of the week, and I still have not took any probiotics. That's why I'm kind of like, will this just itself work, or is it the probiotics that are working? Because probiotics do play a huge role, and then this would probably be like, take it to the next level kind of clear skin magic. But we're gonna see how this works on its own. See you tomorrow if I don't show any more charcoal stuff before I go to bed. Okay, I think it's August 20th. I don't even know what day it is today. It's Monday, that's what I do know. I'm gonna go for a run. But first, I'm going to drink some water with charcoal. Oh, it's like 11:30 a.m. I actually woke up kind of early today. Wow, that is shocking. My sleeping schedule is so messed up right now, so I'm still kind of tired. I've not eaten anything. I've just consumed this. I'm gonna go for a run, and I'm probably gonna consume a couple charcoal pills before I go to bed, and that'll be my day. So it's about 11:30 p.m. My mascara is so messed up right now. But anyway, I ate really bad today, so I'm taking a couple fiber pills from my Metamucil, and also I'm taking a couple activated charcoal pills just because again, I ate pretty bad today. So I'm gonna take 2 of these before I go to bed. A couple of the charcoal and a couple of the fiber pills just because. It is August 21st right now, 10 a.m. And I think I'm just gonna pop a couple charcoal pills because I'm lazy to make the actual powder charcoal. So we're just gonna do some pills popping. It's currently 9:30. Trying to hopefully go to bed early tonight for once. I'm gonna have a couple activated charcoals. August 22nd, Wednesday, 11:55 a.m. I'm gonna be taking a couple of charcoal pills anyway today before I run. I'm gonna start running again. And after I run, I'm gonna eat my, you guessed it, protein oatmeal. Yeah, same thing I always eat after I work out. Actually, the same thing I always eat even when I don't work out. I still eat my protein oatmeal. It just keeps you full, and it's just so good. I can't get sick of protein oatmeal. Anyway, so I'm trying to get more toned, you know? I want to get more toned. I made like a teaspoon of charcoal water right here. I'm just trying to melt it right now before my workout. And then towards the end of the day, I will take my charcoal pills. That is my plan. It is 11:30-ish p.m. and I'm going to be taking last charcoals of the night. Pill 1. Pill 2. That wraps up my night for today. I'm gonna be going to bed. It's the final update today. I'm so exhausted. I just came back from like a 3-hour bike ride, and I'm gonna take a shower soon. Just quickly, just to check in, I guess. This pimple here, well, I mean, it's not really a pimple anymore. It's just flat, which is nice because it was really annoying earlier in the week. Everything on my chin is completely gone. This one is literally like so flat. This one is just poking out a bit. Nothing here. Everything's fine on this side. I have like a little thing right here, but it makes sense. I've been sweating a lot, so obviously near my pore area, I could expect more breakouts. But other than that, like, there's no pimple that's actually like a pimple, you know? Like, everything is flat. So that's good. None of them hurt. None of them are just like cystic at all. I'm so happy. This definitely should not take the place of a probiotic. You should take a probiotic every single day, but then use this as like kind of a boost. I feel like this would be a very good topper. This would be a very good cherry on top kind of assistance. And also apparently charcoal is a natural form of energy. Over time, like if you want to be healthier, charcoal can actually take the place of coffee because it slowly just like naturally energizes you. Obviously it probably won't give you that big spike that coffee does, but if you want to be healthier, charcoal is a good option to give you that natural energy. But yeah, everything's pretty much gone. Yeah, they're just flat. I think I'm gonna continue this charcoal thing. I recently got a probiotic today as well, so I can get back on that. Everything together is just gonna get rid of my acne again, and I can get my diet and everything back on track. Because again, the reason why I got this was because my diet was not the best, and also because I have not been using a probiotic. I'm gonna take a shower now. I'm so sweaty. Also, exercising works too. Exercising helps a lot when it comes to acne and just sweating out toxins. So honestly, that could have something to do with it too. Who knows? All I know is that ever since I started using the charcoal, my pimples are gone. That being said, I hope you have a good day, good night, good evening, whenever you're watching this. It's actually a Thursday, the day I'm posting it today, so it's gonna be up a bit late. I am sorry. See you in the next video. Peace.